So hope you got a sense of how you can leverage the existing templates which are there and make the most out of it. But that's not all. Confluence can over exceed your expectation. So Confluence also gives you the option to customize your templates or blueprints. And let's see how you can do that. So before we do that, let me just tell you that blueprints are made up of templates that can often be customized for an individual space or even for the whole site. So this means that you can adapt the content of the blueprint pages to suit your specific needs and update it accordingly. If you have the space administrator permission, you can customize blueprint templates for the space you are an administrator of. And in case you want to customize the blueprint templates for a whole site, you need to be a Confluence administrator for that site. Now, in order to customize the blueprint, we will have to go to space settings. Under space settings, click on content tools. So you can see that all the blueprints which we have listed under the create page option are listed over here. For example, the ones which we worked upon, like 90-day plan, meeting notes blueprint, and so on. So Confluence gives you the option to customize these templates for the space you are working in. So let's customize the meeting notes blueprint. To do that, you will have to click on edit. So this is how the default meeting notes template looks like. In case you want to change it, you can do the same by just visiting the section you want to edit. So for example, in case you want to remove goals from this template, you can do that by just removing it. So it's a simple editing which you need to perform to edit this page. Now, in case you want to change this template of the table, you can do the same. So for example, in case you want to remove this column, you can do that by just clicking on the remove button. And in case you want to add a new column called due date, you can do the same by just adding a column. Now you can hit save to save the customized template. Now if you go and see the meeting notes template, you will see an update against the same. So you can see that the meeting notes template has been edited, and that's why an edited text can be seen against the same. In case you want to reset it to default, you can do that by just clicking on to reset to default, and it will go to the default structure it was earlier in. Now if you create any page under this space using the meeting notes template, that would be created using the updated template. One point I would like to highlight here is that with user created space and site templates, editing a blueprint template will not change existing pages. So for example, before changing the structure of the meeting notes, if you had created a page using the meeting notes template, the template of that page would not change basis the changes which you have done recently in the updated template. But any new blueprint pages which will be created and will be based on the updated template. So over here you can see that the goal section is no more present, and the due date column has been added instead of the presenter column. So I hope you got a good sense of how you can customize the existing templates which are provided by Confluence and leverage them as per your need.